This is a quick tour of the U.S. Geological Survey Global Visualization Viewer, known as glovis. And this, this has been around for almost 20 years, and it's been redesigned a couple times. But I believe your credentials that you have for Earth Explorer will work with glovis. If they don't, go ahead and set yourself up with a new set of credentials. You can see here the system for logging in there. And if you've logged into Earth Explorer recently and have not logged out, you may actually be logged into glovis without even having to log into it. So, this is a kind of a different experience. It's a different way of browsing through millions of satellite images, and some people like this. I don't use it that much. I tend not to use it that much, maybe because I'm more, I don't know, I like structure a little better, but it is more of an interactive kind of free form browsing browsing portal for a number of different data sets. I don't think there's quite as many data sets as there are in Earth Explorer, but there may be some that are not in Earth Explorer. So take a look at this and become familiar with it. I'm going to show you just quickly how it could work. Here is a glovis window, and you can see I can scroll in with the scroll wheel in and out on this. So you can see that you can select a number of different data sets over here, probably not as many as in Earth Explorer. I'm going to take a look at, let's see, since we looked at Sentinel in Earth Explorer, let's take a look at something else here. How about we'll take a look at aster. It's an imaging system that's on the Terra satellite. Terra, Aqua, and Ara is a 3-satellite constellation. It was launched about 17, 18 years ago, and are still functioning. Aster is a really interesting multispectral scanner. Does some interesting things that no other civilian scanner really does. And so here is, let's take a look at aster, and you can see as you move the crosshair there, scenes begin to pop up. I have set my cloud cover to 0 to 10, so you can see that just in this location there are 40 scenes that match this criteria of 0 to 10% cloud cover in any date range for aster. So this is the most current scene, and you can see it's from November 2018, the most current scene to meet that criteria. And if we look back through the timeline on this, there's the next scene within this. You can see again the crosshairs here. So there's the next scene. Here's the next scene. So you kind of get the idea. You can sort of move around and it will find the current scenes. And you also get night scenes with aster, which are from the thermal channels. So I'm looking over Minneapolis at some relatively high quality scenes. These are not Landsat scenes, these are aster scenes. So and you can get again information on aster simply by clicking the information selection there. And this is, these are pages that are very useful for us. So once you've found one that you particularly like, you can select it, and then if you're logged in, as I am, you can download. You can see here are the different products that you have to download. You can see there's a standard product, which is all of the channels. There's a thermal channel. There are visible, just the visible subset of the channels. There is metadata. You can see these are relatively small files: metadata, quality assurance data, and quality assurance metadata. So there's quite a bit there that you can download, and they're downloadable straight out of this this interface. Again, they're coming out of the same archive, I believe, that most of the Earth Explorer data comes out of, the LPDAAC, one of those incomprehensible acronyms that NASA and USGS use. So glovis, wonderful.